Hi students, now we are going to discussing 12th standard max 4th unit 18th exam sum. Okay, listen. Here three subdivisions are there. Find the value of first one sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse minus 1 by 2. Second sum cos of 1 by 2 into cos inverse 1 by 8. Third sum tan 1 by 2 tan of 1 by 2 into sin inverse 2a by 1 plus a square plus 1 by 2 into cos inverse 1 minus a square by 1 plus a square. Okay, now let's go. The first sum sin pi by 3 sin of pi by 3 minus sin inverse minus 1 by 2. Okay, this is our given sum. First we are going to find the sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. Okay, first we are going to find the value of sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. What is the value for minus 1 by 2 in terms of sine? Sine gets 30 degree. Here minus symbol appears, so sine of minus pi by 6. Sine is the odd function. So sine inverse of sine minus pi by 6. Sine inverse sine cancels, so the answer is minus pi by 6. Okay, are you understand this step? Sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. Sine gets sine pi by 6 gets the value 1 by 2. Here one minus symbol appears, so we put minus symbol because sine is the odd function. Okay, now we are going to substitute the answer in terms of in the given sum. In the given sum, what is the given sum? Sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. Okay, now listen. Here sine of pi by 3 minus, here sine inverse minus 1 by 2 value is minus pi by 6. Okay, now minus into minus plus, so now the answer is sine of pi by 3 plus pi by 6. Now we are going to taking the LCM. Here LCM is 6. Here we write 6. In 6 there are 2 3's, so we multiplying by 2. We get the answer 2 pi plus pi. So now the answer is sine of 3 pi by 6. Sine of 3 pi by 6. 3 and 6 cancelled is sine pi by 2. What is the answer for sine pi by 2? Sine 90 degree, this is equal to 1. So our first subdivision over. Now we are going to our second subdivision. The second sum is cos of 1 by 2 into cos inverse 1 by 8. This is our second sum. Okay, now let theta is equal to cos inverse 1 by 8. Okay, now cos inverse of 1 by 8, this is equal to theta. Now cos inverse goes to right hand side cos. Okay, so cos theta is equal to 1 by 8. This is belongs to or not belongs to 0 comma pi. You imagine this 0. Okay, pi means 3.14. Here now the answer is 1 by 8. This is, we cancel this sum, 0.125. So 0.125 positive 0 to pi exists this answer. So this is belongs to 0 comma pi. Okay, now listen. Here cos theta is equal to 1 by 8. We are applying the formula 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. This is equal to 1 by 8. Now minus 1 goes to right hand side plus 1. So now our next step is 2 cos square theta by 2. This is equal to 1 plus 1 by 8. Okay, now we take LCM. Now we are going to take LCM. 2 cos square theta by 2. This is equal to 1 plus 8, that is 9 by 8. Now 2 goes to right hand side in the division, so we get the answer cos square theta by 2 is equal to 9 by 16. But we need only cos theta by 2. So taking square root on both sides, we get the answer plus or minus 3 by 4. But here we write plus 3 by 4 only, because cos theta is positive. Okay, cos theta by 2 is positive, so cos theta by 2 is equal to 3 by 4. In our given sum, we are going to substitute in our given sum. A given sum is cos of 1 by 2 into cos inverse 1 by 8. Okay, now in the starting we take cos inverse 1 by 8, let it be theta, so we substitute in the place theta. So what is the answer? Cos theta by 2. Just now we find the answer cos theta by 2, answer is what? This is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, now our second subdivision over. Now we are going to solve the third subdivision. What is the third subdivision sum? In the given sum, tan of 1 by 2 into sin inverse 2a divided by 1 plus a square plus 1 by 2 into cos inverse 1 minus a square divided by 1 plus a square. This is our third subdivision. Okay, now we take a is equal to tan theta. Why? Because listen, in terms of sin inverse, here sin inverse, you imagine this one, 2a divided by 1 plus a square. Suppose we substitute tan theta 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. What is the formula for this term? Sin 2 theta formula in terms of tan. Similarly, we can write 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This is also equal to cos 2 theta. Okay, in this step we can write sin 2 theta. In this step we can write cos 2 theta. Okay, now we are going to substitute in this place. Now the given sum become tan of 1 by 2 into, already we have one sin inverse. Now we substitute sin 2 theta. So sin inverse of sin 2 theta. Here also we write 1 by 2 into cos inverse, we substitute cos 2 theta in the bracket. So here cos 2 theta. Okay, now listen, here what is the answer now? Here tan of, here sin inverse sin cancelled, so only we get the answer 1 by 2 into 2 theta. Plus here also we write cos inverse cos cancel, we get the answer only 2 theta. Okay, now students listen, here 2 cancelled. Here 2 cancel, so theta plus theta, this is equal to tan 2 theta. Now our final answer is tan 2 theta. But in the given sum, the terms are in the a term. Okay, all the terms are in a. But we are here, our answer is in tan 2 theta. So we convert in this step tan 2 theta formula in tan theta. So tan 2 theta, this is equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. In the first step we take tan theta is equal to a. Now we substitute for tan theta is equal to a. We get the last answer 2a divided by 1 minus a square. This is our required answer. Okay students, are you understand this sum? I hope you. Thank you.